Hey folks, Will Holder with the William Holder Realty team. Wanted to come with you with another tip regarding real estate. Understand this, temperatures change. Know your climate, understand your listing. We say this to all of our sellers, but when it's the winter, make sure the heat's turned on. Make sure it's at least at 58, 60 degrees in your house. If it goes below that and you get to the freezing level, pipes can freeze and burst and flood your home. We recently had it happen to one of our sellers. It's unfortunate, and if we didn't go there to do a final walkthrough, we would have never known because the seller wasn't living in the home. So if you're selling a home and it's vacant, make sure you have someone stopping by, even if that is a conversation with your agent to say, hey, I'm not going to be at the property for a few weeks. Do you mind stopping by and checking on it every now and then? That'd be great. A lot of agreement of sales state that the seller has to keep utilities on through closing. So if for some reason your closing gets pushed back and you need to change the utility date, you have to do it. It's in your best interest. It's the best way to take care of your home. Another example, over in California, unfortunately, there are wildfires. If your home was for sale or not being taken care of and you're not paying attention to what's going on locally, climate, temperature, disasters, etc., it can end up costing you significantly. If you're ever interested in working with a team that understands how to take care of homes and make sure sellers don't get stuck in these awful positions, reach out. Will at WilliamHolderRealty.com or 610-657-6215. Looking forward to hearing from you.